Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quote in Salesforce. Let's get into it. First, open your sales deal. The first step is to find the specific deal you are working on. You need to be inside the right folder before you can start making a price list for your customer. Click on the Opportunities tab and pick the deal you want. Look for the name of the person or company you are talking to and click it, because a price list needs to be attached to a specific deal. You have to open the right page so the computer knows which customer should get the information for your project. Without this step, the system wouldn't know who the price list is for or what deal you are trying to finish today. Next, find the quote section. You need to find the specific area on the page where the price lists are kept and managed. Look at the right side or the top menu for a section called Quotes. If it's not available, you can select New Opportunities, since it also allows you to custom the date. Click on the small arrow or the button, because it takes you away from the general deal information and into the specific tool for making price lists. This menu is where all your different offers are stored for your work. It ensures you are using the right form to build your list, so all the numbers stay organized in the right place. Next, fill in the name and dates. Now you need to give your price list a name and decide how long the prices will stay the same for the customer. Type a simple name into the box and pick a day when the offer will end. Check that the customer's name and the deal name are already filled in correctly, because it tells the customer how much time they have to make a choice. By giving it a clear name, you can find it easily later among your other tasks. Setting a date ensures the customer knows the offer won't last forever, which helps you get a faster answer for your project. Once it's done, just click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. To create a quote in Salesforce, you must first open your sales deal to find the right customer. Then, you find the quotes section and click the button to start a new one. Next, you fill in the name and dates to give your offer some details. Finally, you save your work to finish the list. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.